Hello, seniors and friends. My name is Hari Narayan Patel. I am part of Central Committee along with Swati Madam and Jay of IIPAA, Indian Institute of Packaging Alumni Association. I just wanted to give you a update on what we are doing and why we are doing, because you will be getting a lot of forward messages from your BRs and you will be doubting what is going on in the association. So a little bit from last year when we did the meeting, we have formed some committees called social media committee, registration committee, and some other committees which are recently formed. So old committees are going to expired, their tenure will be over on this coming month, 1st June. But the new committees which we have formed recently, like startup committee, global technology task force, they will continue. And one more new thing we have done, it was in plan, you might have got the message from your BRs to decide the center representative. So if you see the constitution which was framed by us, it clearly says that we will have we will have the center representatives from each center, because earlier what used to happen that most of the people used to come from Mumbai and there was a less participation in the main body of the office bearers from regional centers. And that time also Hyderabad was not started, Kolkata was not started, only Delhi was there. But now at least 7 8 batches from each Kolkata and Hyderabad is already passed out, and Delhi around 16 17 batches are passed out. So it was as a central committee, it was our responsibility to give the equal participation in all the aspect basis on the number of batches passed out from the particular regional center. So that's how we have taken two BRs from Hyderabad, two from Kolkata, and two from Delhi. As the number of batches are more in Delhi, I am thinking to have one more senior member from around 18 to 23 batch, because the current CRs are from 31 and 33, so sometimes seniority also matters. So that's why we will take one more candidate. And from Mumbai we already have a very good mix, one from 4th batch and then 16 batch and then 31 batch, three center representatives are there. So BRs will continue their role whatever way they are working now, to pass on the information, to collect the feedbacks from their classmates and give to the central alumni association office bearers. They will continue, but the role of the CRs will be little bigger. They will think about the welfare of their center, whether they are getting proper representation in each and every committee or not. And if you see in the current CRs, we have given a good participation from girls, women also. So we have taken one girl from Hyderabad, two from Kolkata, and one from Delhi. So out of 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9, and one more from Delhi, 10. 4 girls are there. So around 40% girls are there in the center representative group. So what will be the next step of these center representatives and we three, Swati Madam, me and Jay from the elected central body? We are planning to do the registration of the alumni association, and as you know it will be registered under Societies Act 1860, and you need at least 7 members for the registration purpose. So that means we three are not enough for the registration. That means we need some people. Then who will be part of this registration, whose name will go in as member in the registration? That's how these 10 people will come join us, and then we will be in a position to register. Then some other aspect, other update I have, social media committee has done a very good job for making this Facebook. Today we have 1100 plus members and authentic members, because we have the checkpoints where the we filter, and we have some ask some questions in the whenever they request for the membership. So that is working perfectly fine. Constitution, we have told that constitution is ready. Facebook is doing good. And in WhatsApp we have one official group which is called BR and Central Committee group. So all the BRs and new CRs, some of the CRs are also BR, so they are part of the main official group of WhatsApp. So for the information, we only have one WhatsApp official group. Rest all may be running in the name of alumni associations and all, but we are not part of it, and there is no harm if somebody is running, but those are not the official ones. So whatever official communication will come, it will come through your BRs and CRs only. And communication definitely will come from BR, because CR role is not to do day-to-day information passing from here and there. Their role is little bigger. Definitely all people are not yet active, they are not much aware about the alumni association. So the role of BRs is to do the publicity, because once we are associated, we all are associated, united together, then definitely it is going to give benefit in lot of areas. Coming back to the updates. Recently, 2 months back, we have formed one committee called Technology Support, Global Technology Support Task Force. So with the help of this committee, we have started webinar for 34 batches student. That is because of the such a big worldwide problem of COVID-19 corona issue. And their training internship also is not going good, because they can't go to the factory, we all are locked down. So we wanted to give something back to our juniors, so that's why we have started that webinar. Around 17 webinars are planned on various subjects related to packaging technology, business skills, sustainability, packaging optimization, innovation, regulations, interview skills, lot of things. And the speakers are from till 17 batch, so seniors are coming there, they are in a very good position in the industry, they are speaking to the student. Some of the webinars even we are participating from the central body, and we have appointed two moderators, Ayush and Ajay, who are looking after day-to-day affairs. And to make this successful, there is a technology platform called Google Meet, which subscription we have got by paying a very small amount of money. So that will continue till 7th of June. Then once these things are completed, there will be a report published. There will be a very good report published for this, which you will see after 7th June. And coming back to the registration part, registration we are targeting to complete by end of July, because lockdown is there, and I'm not sure how many offices are working, government offices, and how to approach. But still we have started the collecting data on PAN card and Aadhaar card, so that our file is ready. So for the registration we need at least 7 members with some positions. Then we need PAN card, Aadhaar card, address NOC, and then constitution. And address NOC should be given by IIP, but they have not yet given because of the lockdown, and it has been delayed from last 1 year. We have waited, so we have decided to register the body in some other address. We will arrange NOC, and once this registration is done and IIP is giving us later NOC, then we will submit to the registrar office and then change the address. Otherwise, registration formalities will not wait for IIP NOC. However, we are always with IIP, because wherever we are only because of IIP. It is like temple. Then the data which will come from Google form, which has been published today, we will collate the data, we will publish some of the report. We will not reveal your personal contact details, email IDs and all, but definitely there will be a statistics published, And this time this statistics will be a very different one. You will see some maps of the India globe, and then how people are distributed, what is their level now, which level they are working, or all kind of statistics will be reported in a very interesting manner. So this document will be like a latest current one, and with the help of technology we will definitely keep on revising every year. We will collect data. Maybe this Google form is simple one, we have collected some basic information. Next time onwards we will collect more information, and once the body is registered, it will be easy to do all these things. And I would like to also share that there is a committee called Startup Committee. Startup Committee is uh, there to support our alumni members in case they want to start their own business. My observation, I may be wrong. I have seen when some people have started their company, then the other people who are working, they feel something different, and they don't want to promote them. But this is very wrong. Why? Because when our alumni member is searching for a job, we always help. But just imagine, when a person is starting a company, that means he will give job to our alumni members. So our support will be rather at bigger level to those people who are starting their own companies, own setup, own consulting firms, and lot of things. So this time approach is different, and there is a startup committee who will help, and there is a full freedom from our side for all the alumni members. Even if they are doing something not related to packaging, then also we are going to support them, because ultimately they are our family member. They are member of IIPAA. So if they are starting a company not related to packaging, then also we are going to support. So whatever they do in their life, we are there to support. And after some time, when the situation is normal, we are also planning to design a website where Global Technology Support Task Force will play a very big role. That update also I will give. And that's it for now. Thank you all of you for your trust in the association, office bearers of the association. On behalf of Swati Madam, Jay, me, and all our committees, Startup Committee, Social Media Committee, Registration Committee, Global Technology Task Force Committee, and coming our alumni members 34 batch, I would like to thank you each and everyone for your trust and cooperation and support as always. Please continue doing that. Thank you so much.